Friends, welcome to Thirukkural English Couplet TV. We have completed chapter 131, that is 131 chapters. Now we have come to chapter 132. I have been explaining Thirukkural, each Kural, 1330 Kurals, in accordance with how I have translated. This translation, how I have translated, I have explained all about in my introductory video. If you go through my if you watch my introductory video, you will know about that. And I have put all 1330 Kurals and 133 chapters into 16 heads or headings or aspects. Now we are in the last one, that is emotional and physical love between husband and wife. Okay? And we are in the last section, and we are in the last but one chapter now. And here I have translated using 4 plus 3 words, the same way as whatever is written. 2 lines using Valluva's Kural Venba and couplets definition, right? Okay, now this is titled, this one is titled this way. This is titled Boodery Technique. Boodery Technique. Boodery is a French word. Pulavi Nunukam in Tamil. Boodery Technique. Boodery Technique means sulking and this is sulkiness, some sulkiness or something like that. What is that? It is a adolescent sickness or some type of cheerfulness, that is called boodery. This is boodery techniques, French word. Boodery is a French word. Tamil Pulavi Nunukam. Technique is nothing but Nunukam. Boodery is Pulavi. In English, nothing but the sulkiness or cheerfulness. But this is also, boodery is also English word. English has taken that word for it. English is a language which would receive so many words from other languages and make it as English words. This is the uniqueness of English language. And that is why we request many of the scholars in Tamil to accept many words to be taken in Tamil to make it rich and to be easily accepted by the people all over. That is what is being expected by good scholars. We should make it rich by accepting so many words from so many languages. We should not be proud saying that we are such and such, we are so and so all such. Tsunami is a word which is used by all people all over, but it's a Japanese word. Japanese word is used by all people, especially English people, and English, it has become a word from English language. But many people in Tamil Nadu, they use some other words for this, some other word for tsunami. It's a common word to be used as such, according to my explanation. Whether it is acceptable for other people or not, I don't know, but it's my suggestion. Then English will, Tamil would also grow like anything, because English has been accepted by all people all over the world, because it has accepted so many words from other languages too. It's a very receptive language. Boodery is such a word, right? My suggestion, which I gave, it is not the suggestion given by all the people. It is my own suggestion, which can be accepted, it need not be accepted. Okay. Next one, first one. I dislike your being after women's eye pleasure. Boundary techniques. Boundary techniques. What is this? The husband has gone, having married, to get wealth and come back. Now they are using boundary techniques to get get into love. Whatever is deadly against this marriage, unnatural marriages. In those days, he would have dreamt of natural marriages. In those days also, there would have been a natural way of getting married, but there would not have been any laws enacted. Now laws have been enacted, and courts are supporting those laws too. In many of the countries. So that is very pitiable situation, very sad. World is also advising us not to be led astray to commit adultery and fornication. Having got married, departing also would happen. We have to take each other in eye, mind and soul for introspecting. This way he has been explained. Here, having joined together, having come back after earning money, they are using some techniques. This is what is explained by Waldover. This is a good piece of literature. He is using a very good language, using many figures of speech like oxymoron, many similes, metaphors, personification, so many such. Okay. Now, I dislike your being after women's eye pleasure. After women's eye pleasure. I dislike your being. I don't you want to be here after women's eye pleasure. You enjoy the pleasure of the woman's eye. So what is the use of your being here? Second one, sneeze creates long live slogan confirming my reconciliation. Sneeze creates long live slogan. Whenever she sneezes, she says long live. Who is to be lived long? Husband. If it comes to husband, sneeze comes to husband, wife is to be prized, to live long. These words, these phrases confirm my reconciliation. Wife is telling. She doubts if I offer her, now this is being spoken by husband. Sneeze creates long live slogan confirming my reconciliation. Now he has come back, and in the meantime, when he got separated, he was thinking about her in sneezing. That time he used to say long live. That is for her wife, for his wife. Now she doubts if I offer her flower garlands. She is thinking whether she would accept her. She doubts if I offer her flower garlands. I means husband. Okay. Next one, fourth one. She subjectively teased me on more love for her theory. Fifth one, I will not depart you, make her weep, because departed. Before departing, I will not depart you. He says, I will not depart. But anyhow, it implies that he is going to depart. That makes her sad, and she weeps. She defended, I remembered thee. She defended, I remembered the theory. She is having one theory. Yes, I remember. She defended, I remembered the theory. saying forgetting makes remembrance theory. Forgetting makes remembrance. A kind of forgetting makes remembrance. What sort of thing? It is forgetting. How it would be remembered? Forgetting makes remembrance, because he has gone there. She cannot forget, but that once forgotten, that means that she is going to remember her through mind. If heart forgets, mind will remember. If mind forgets, heart will remember. That is what is implied. Seventh one. On sneeze, blessing me, she doubted me. On sneeze. Now, joining together, if sneeze comes, what happens? She would bless me, but she doubts me also. Who is thinking about him? This is a small type of a small, small feignings would come. On concealing sneeze, because of joining together, she wants to conceal. She questioned of concealment. What you are concealing? Why you are concealing? This way she might question, he thinks. Ninth one. On removing dislikes, she called me experienced. On removing dislikes, sometimes after all these things, she is removing all dislikes. Now called me experienced. Now you have become experienced. She calls me. On contemplating her beauty, she doubted comparison. On contemplating her beauty, she is now contemplating about her beauty. Contemplating her beauty, she doubted comparison. Now she doubts comparison. These are all feignings. Something would come, some doubts, small doubts. It's not actually doubt. She behaves as if she were in doubt, but not actually in doubt. This is natural way. If it goes for, actually if she is doubting, there will be a problem. So Waldover is using apt words to show us that she is not in actually doubt, but she is behaving as if she were in doubt. The words are used in such a way that would give that type of impact to us. So the same way I have translated. Thank you.